Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. We are taking another example in pointers. So in this video we are talking about two different declaration of our string in C programming language. So first is by using our pointer. So we can take a pointer of type character and we can initialize our string. Okay, and also we can also do it because a string is a array of character, so we can also take a character array and we can do like this. Okay, so what if I want to change the value? I mean, if I want to change a value like uh, what I've done in here, we have b contains the address of first character, b plus 1. I have told you that it will increase the size by its type, so 1 byte will be increased, so it will pointing to b plus 1 will be pointing to e, and asterisk b plus 1, that means I am inside the string. And if I want to change this to c, it should be doing this, but this is not allowed. Okay, so when I will be printing in here, it will show an error. But in this type of declaration where I have defined it like in array of character, if I want to just change the e, that is a plus 1 and asterisk. Okay, a is also a pointer, but this is a different declaration where I've not defined like a pointer, but I've given the name a and I'm defining like a character array. Okay, in this case when I want to change the value, this a plus 1, that is pointing to e, and asterisk, that means I'm talking about the value of a plus 1. So if I want to change it to c, then it will do that. So this is correct and this will show an error. So let's see what is the output of it and whether it shows the error or not. Okay, so it should be printed like 1 or 2. So if it shows an error, that means this declaration is not correct. Okay, now we have run our code. Let's see what will be the output of it. I think there should be an error because in this type of thing is not allowed. Okay, so we have not getting any answer, so it is not going to show any error. It is not showing error in my case, but no answer is found in here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to comment this out. Okay, I have the correct comment that out and I've saved the code, and I'm just going to compile and run our code once again, and let's see what is the output now. And now you can see I've commented that out, and now it is printing the hello string b like it is. And in this case e is changed and it is replaced e with c, and that's why it is printing like this, SCLLO. so this code is working, but this code is not working. I want to show once again if it is work or not. If I just run the code once again, it will not show any output, so this is not allowed in C. Okay, so we need to understand that while declaring our string as a pointer, I mean if I are declaring a string and we are giving a pointer, so by using a pointer we are not allowed to change any character of it like this. Okay, and in some compiler it may show an error, but in GCC, in my version, it is not showing an error, but no output is shown. And this code will work fine when we declare our string as an array of character, so we are allowed to do this. Okay, so this is one more important thing that need to be noted. So you can also try this and see if some error is shown in your case or not. So thank you so much. Let's see in the next video.